Hi there. In this video I am gonna show you how you can create a logo for free and without downloading any software. Like this. Or you can create any type of logo you want. Also, if you want to know how to create an e-commerce website only using free resources, watch this video. Let's get started. From your browser. Like without an E. This is the website where you can create logos absolutely for free. You can skip this tutorial if you want. Very simple interface. I am gonna quickly guide you the interface. Here you can find shapes and graphics for your logo. This is the toolbar for customizing our logo. By clicking on this, you can save your work. Also, this is where all your layers will be shown. So let's do it. First let's search for graphics which we can use. I am gonna search for shop. There are tons of graphics to choose from. Also, if you see here, each graphics has this little yellow icon. Each graphics has its own unique ID. You can also search for graphics by their IDs. Like, if I search for ID here. Here you can see, the relevant graphics will show. So I am gonna use it. Double-click on it to add it on the canvas. You can move it around just like you want. Also you can see, the layer is created. You can adjust its size. By clicking on this three dots, you can adjust its position. Also you can replace the graphics. To change its color, from the right side color wheel, you can choose your color. Or you can type a unique color code. Now I am gonna add a text layer. To add it, from the left toolbar, select this text tool. When you select it, the layer will be created. Now you can type anything you want. First I am gonna type shop. You can also change the font from up here. There are many fonts to choose from. You can also change its style, like 3D. I am gonna make it bold. To change it, make sure layer is selected. Click on settings. Now make changes from here. Tweak settings from here. Now I am gonna increase its size by dragging it upwards. And I am gonna tilt it a little. Also I am gonna change its color. Now I want to duplicate the text. To duplicate, click on the three dots icon and select duplicate. But I am gonna take a new text layer. I am gonna type city. I am gonna make it bold too. Also I am gonna increase its size. Cool. Now I am gonna select both layers and adjust its position. Awesome. Our logo is ready. Now to save your logo on your computer, click on the save icon on the top right corner. If you need high resolution file with license, you need to purchase their premium plan. Their premium plan have some cool benefits too. But since I told you that you can make it for free, so click on this link here. It will download your logo. Here you can see our logo is successfully downloaded. And it's looking cool. One thing you can also do. Copy the link from here. Let's say you lost your work, or you accidentally closed your working tab. In that case, you can reopen the tab by just pasting this link. Let me show you. Here you can see, we're back, right where we left off. Cool, become creative and create as many logos as you want. If this video helped you in any way, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you later, alligator.